Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shivakant Pata here available to see one more topic in van der Waal equation. Here in this topic we will obtain the value of critical constants A, B, Tc, Pc and Vc, critical temperature, critical volume and critical temperature. So this value we will obtain from the van der Waal equation. So see this whole theory carefully with us. We are knowing van der Waal equation for 1 mole. It is given by P plus A by V square V minus B is equal to RT. We are going to represent it by equation number 1. We want to do some mathematics with it. So here in this left side we are going to open it. It is PV, P into V. P we are multiplying by it, so it is P small b. Now A is multiplying here A by V and it is minus AB by V square is equal to RT. Here in this equation we are going to multiply by V square both sides. Let's see what happened. This equation after multiplying it's become P VQ plus this is a PV, this is a minus, see here it is a minus PBV square plus it is A by V. So A multiplying V, AV becomes it is now it's become only AB minus V square RT is equal to 0. Now one more mathematical process we are going to do. We are going to divide it by pressure both side. We have transfer RT in this side here. So when we multiply it, this equation can be written as, see carefully, here becomes VQ. VQ minus B V square, pressure reduced, plus AV by P minus AB by P minus V square RT by P is equal to 0. See this equation here. We are going to arrange in power of V. First of all, V3, power of V is 3. Now see here in this case, power of V2, these two factor. Here both are minus. We may take minus as a common here. So between this, see carefully, V square is a common. V square is a common in both, here in this both term. So here becomes what term here? First, V square B plus, here is RT by P. Right? Now see in this equation once more the next term, multiplier of V. Multiplier of V is only this plus AV by P minus constant term. This constant term is here AB by P. See, this is equation. Actually, and it is equal to 0, equation by 2. See, equation 2 is the ideal gas equation, form of ideal gas equation in this form. See, it is a quadratic equation having V to the power 3. So this shows that V has, volume has 3 values. Mathematics C, V, Q, V square, V and constant. So it is a quadratic equation of the volume, and so volume has a 3 value. The 3 possibilities here. All 3 values are real. 1 real, 2 imaginary, or 2 real, 1 imaginary. These are the 3 possibilities of for the value of V here. But see carefully this graph here. So this graph, see very carefully here. This graph is the isothermal curve of carbon dioxide under a pressure and volume. Pressure is on y-axis, volume is on x-axis at different pressures. See here in this graph, here at 15 degrees centigrade, the pressure is increases, volume decreases, obeying under the Boyle's law. Now see here, after this gas starts converted into liquid and it shows its jumping forms here, little up and down. This shows that this volume has a real value. All 3 volume has a real value, no imaginary value. This is the mathematical concept. These 3, all 3 may be real, 1 real, 2 imaginary, 2 real, 1 imaginary. But see here in the graph, which is obtained for the liquefaction of here. Here is a gas, here is liquid. Gas is converting into liquid. This graph is the process of liquefaction here under this box. This is the phenomenon of liquefaction here. Liquefaction under this. At 50 degrees centigrade also, it shows a jumping nature. So all 3 value here indicates real. This is the correct in it, right? We are knowing this point P is a point of inflation, and this temperature is known as critical temperature TC. This is the maximum temperature at which gas converted into liquid after applying the pressure only, right? This is the maximum temperature. For the case of a carbon dioxide, it is 31.1 degrees Celsius. We know it is, right? At this temperature, the volume is known as a critical volume here, and this all its value is a real. Let's see, we are going to proceed some concept mathematics by taking it. So see the mathematics very carefully what we are going to do. At point P. Point P is known as point of inflection. Here the volume of a gas is represented by a critical volume. Up to here is a gas. Here in all 3 cases, this side from here up before this, Boyle's law hold perfectly. V is equal to Vc. This can be written as V minus Vc is equal to 0. This implies that V minus Vc whole cube is equal to 0. Or we may also write in this form VQ minus 3 A minus V whole cube. We can break it VC V square plus 3 VC square V minus VC cube is equal to 0. See this box equation. It is also a quadratic equation. We are going to represent it by equation number 3 here. This is also a quadratic equation in a V, equation 2. Now see equation 2 here. It is also quadratic equation in power 3. So we are going to compare this. Both are the quadratic equation of V in power 3. So we are going to compare both equations. Both equations. Which equation? Equation 2 and equation 3. So we are comparing the coefficient of b to the power 2, b to the power 1, and a constant here. All power we are comparing. In comparison of equation 2 and 3, on comparing the power of v to the power 2, we obtained this equation. It is for comparing the power of v. This box you see, green box, it is due to the comparison of v to the power 1, a by p, and see here in the black box, it is due to the comparison of constant. I would like to bring little change in it, but what change we will do, we will explain here in this graph. See the point of inflection where V is equal to Vc. This whole calculation is at point P. This implies that P is equal to PC and T is equal to Tc for 1 mole. It means it is for 1 mole of gas is filled here. This total is. If V is equal to Vc means it is for 1 mole of gas. So under this condition, the change which we will take place here, see, what is the change we will take here? T will change as a Tc, P as a Pc here, and V is here a Vc. Clear it is? These are the equation 4, 5 and 6. Now what we are going to do? Divide 6 by 5. So left hand side Vc cube by 3 Vc square is equal to AB by PC into PC by A. So after solving this, we may get Vc is equal to 3B. See carefully, this is one of the result. Right? Now we are going to put this value here in equation 5. Equation 5, see here. Equation 5 in this PC can be written as A by 3 Vc square. So it is A by 3, Bc is a 3B. So PC can be written as A by 9B square. So the value of Vc, Pc can be obtained by this equation number 7 and 8. Now we are going to see the calculate the Tc. For Tc, equation 4 can be written as R Tc by Pc is equal to 3Bc minus B. See, 3Bc, Vc is 3B it is 3b minus b. So this implies that our TC by PC can be written as 2b. By this concept, we may write, this implies that TC is equal to 2b PC by R. Now see, TC is equal to 2b. Critical pressure is what? A by 9b square R. So what it's become TC? B is a cancel 1. So above it is 2b by 9br. See this equation number 9. See here in this equation 3VC minus V. VC is a 3V, so it can be written as 3 into 3VC. 3 into 3, it is equal to 9B minus V is equal to 8B. So it is 8B is here. Now this implies that it is 8BC by this. Right here 8BC by C. So this is the TC is equal to this 8B PC by R. PC is here given. This is a 3B whole square. 3 3s are 9. 3s are, this is 27. Now keeping this value here, we may write it is 8 value and in place of 9 it is 27. So this total is makes 8 by 27 PR. So we have a 3 value available. VC is equal to 3B. PC is equal to A by 27B square and TC is equal to 8A by 27BR. So critical values of a gas is dependent on A, B and R. Van der Waals constant A, B and R, or we may write this is also by this equation. A is equal to, in terms of critical constant, VC by 3, B is equal to 3 PC VC square and C is equal to, we may write 8 PC VC by 3 TC. So how this Van der Waals constant and universal gas constant connected with critical temperature, critical pressure and critical volume of a gas. So this is for today. Thank you and have a nice day to all.